Hello and welcome to the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. I'm Jane King and with me is Matthias Jakisch, the CEO of MARKNetwork, and also Max Ambrose, the Chief Legal Officer of MARKNetwork. So thank you for coming. I know you've come from Germany, you've come from Southern California. It's great to have you here in New York.
Thank you.
So Matthias, let's start with you. Just kind of give me one sentence. What is MARKNetwork?
Okay, MARKNetwork is a US-based fintech company.
And you use the blockchain technology.
We're using the blockchain technology. That's also foundation.
Now, Max, you're based in the U.S., so I mean, how are you helping him kind of navigate the legal areas of the U.S. blockchain? Because this is even still kind of a technology that a lot of people are still trying to figure out.
Right, it's a challenge. And Matthias wanted to have everything in the U.S., everything fully compliant. And so we're really, going head on with the U.S. Laws and regulations and trying to bring this kind of technology to the people in the United States. And there's a lot of barriers in the way. So my job is to kind of help him navigate through those barriers, get around them, and make a successful blockchain company in the U.S. where it's a very challenging thing to do right now with the uncertain regulations and newness of the technology.
That's right. I mean, I think Washington is still trying to figure out how all this is going to play out. So tell me, I know you're doing a lot of different things in the blockchain space. So give me kind of a brief description of what are all the businesses that MARKNetwork is doing. There's mining, correct?
Okay. So our first service we are just up to release this month, January 2019, is a mining service. MARKMining is a name. And it is all about master nodes. It's kind of a little technical, so to say. But we needed to start somewhere, We need to start to build blockchain solutions before, that was a base idea, before we ask anybody for any money. Because my personal idea is not to ask for money when I cannot show anything to anybody.
Right.
I just wanted to have a foundation, so to say. The project is self-funded by myself at current. And now we just up to release the first service. Next service is in the plan, so to say. It is Mark Arbitrage. Now,
is that for traders, the arbitrage?
But we want to bring it to the normal people.
Okay.
That's the idea. The traders all have their own tools. They develop it their own. But the normal people never have the chance, to use such systems. And they can, we want to bring such services to the masses. That's it.
And I know you and I have talked about just blockchain in general and how it's going to change the world probably beyond our imaginations. I mean, tell me where you think this is going, and then Max, I'll ask you the same thing.
Okay, I tell you what, we have about 10,000 use cases in the future for blockchain.
For blockchain.
Yeah, because we are all around, every system is centralized here. So it is a high security risk because data will be stolen, will be used, will be sold and stuff.
Right.
We need to change that.
Yeah, somebody could just attack that centralized system and cause havoc, whereas blockchain distributes the risk,
so
to speak, right?
Yeah,
I mean, Max, wouldn't you agree about that?
Yeah, absolutely. It's great for securing computer systems, data, like Matthias said. And for me, it's a lot about economic inclusion and people participating in the economy. And that's a lot about what MARKNetwork is doing as well with some of its services that it has planned, is to help bring these technologies to the masses and allow people to really get involved in the economy where otherwise they wouldn't have access to banks or financial institutions.
Well, the number of people in the world that are unbanked must be, 10 times the number of people who are banked?
Exactly.
So the market is huge.
Yeah, we need to think over our borders, so to say, We need to see the world, the people on this world who not have access maybe to a bank account, or working outside of their own country and need to send money to their, to the people at home.
Right.
And blockchain makes it so simple. so to say, and so cheap to send just payments. I'm not talking about payment solution or cryptos or something, you know. But blockchain is completely different. The people need to see the difference. That is what I want to educate the people with MARKNetwork also. I want to show up the difference between crypto, which is a payment solution. It's just one solution out of 10,000, yeah? And blockchain, you know? So
Now, how can somebody find out more about MARKNetwork?
MARKNetwork, you can find more information on our website. It is mark-network.com.
Okay.
Or on our social media channels. Everybody is welcome to join us.
And
Yeah.
follow you and see as you grow.
Absolute, no problem.
Yeah. Now, Max, what's next for MARKNetwork then as we go into 2019?
Yeah, we're Matthias and our team are developing more products, more solutions for people. Like you said, we're looking at Mark Arbitrage, a trading service. Putting all the legal pieces together is my job, so that's kind of what I've been focusing on. Just making sure everything we're doing is compliant, and hopefully bigger things in the future, you know, potentially exchanges, building our own blockchain infrastructure, things like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so well, best of luck. And I hope
Thank
you
you.
come back to
Absolutely.
New York and kind of update us throughout the year as your
Absolute.
products come out and
Yeah.
you start to gain some traction. So it was great to have you here.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Max. Thank you so much, Matthias, for joining us.
Thank you.
And thank you as well. I'm Jane King at the NASDAQ. Have a great day.